Excellent. So these are the most important types of transformer connection. I will stop here in this chapter, chapter number 8. I will not go through the whole chapter, and I will jump back to chapter number 5, which is the electrical service. Okay, now do you remember in electric service? We said electric service entrance is all the equipment which start from the utility down to the panel board. What are the most important equipment which we are going to be used? And we started with the transformer, and this is why I jumped to chapter number 8 to explain the types of transformer connections. I don't care about the transformer. It is not my concern in this course, which is wiring. Only I need to know the transformer connections according to the National Electric Code. Okay, so we will jump back to the electrical service entrance. Now in electric service entrance, which is chapter number 5, we have to know that there are very important equipment, and we will cover them inshallah in this lecture in week number 9. First of all, we have the service drop, we have the service entrance, we have the service entrance conductor, and we have the service entrance equipment, and at the end we have the service lateral. Now we will talk about all of these, components in a little bit in details, okay, in this week, or maybe I will make it like in week number 10 for these main important equipment in the service entrance. Now the book here, it talks about the generation, then it moved to talk about the transmission and substations. Just to give you a clue, I can summarize it in this picture. Here we have like a generation unit, then we have a step up transformer where we call it the transmission lines, and we need to go to our facility. Our facility, it could be a building, tower, it could be like a home or whatever. To do so, we have something called the substation. The substation is like the main part of the substation is the transformer, which is going to step down the voltage from the transmission line. As we can see here, the voltage level is like 138 kilovolt or 230 kilovolt, or it could be 500 kilovolt or 115 kilovolt or something like this. It depends on the distance the voltage will be taken from the generation to the load. Now, as you can see, we have different level of voltages until we reach the place where we need to connect our load. So we have the distribution system after the first substation or the step down system. We have the distribution system. As you can see here, it could be like a wooden pool, or it could be like different, it could be underground system for the distribution. It depends on how the system is designed. Now the distribution voltage, the maximum voltage is like 34 kilovolt, 34.5 kilovolt. It's like a medium voltage, and it can go down to 4.1 kilovolt. Okay, so this is the distribution. Okay, now my concern is this part where I have my facility. It is connected to a transformer, because we have another transformer here which will reduce the voltage to 120, 240, and it will be connected to your home or mall or whatever your facility is. So we will start talking from this part, from this point of view, from the transformer to your facility. Okay,